What is that?
Is that your drum that Mama got you? It is. You want to go play your drums? Yeah?
Drums.
Look. Drums. Okay.
Go play with your drums.
Go ahead, go see.
Look. See, look.
You can sit down right here. Sit. Here. Sit down. Sit. Step.
Use both of your hands.
Okay. Here, I'll do it too. Use your drumsticks. You stomp, stomp, stomp.
You have to stomp on that one.
Use your foot. Foot. There you go. Good boy. Yay. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. You say thank you. You say thank you to Momo.
Say thank you, Momo.
Use your foot. Use your foot. There you go.
Easy. Do you like your drums, Nathan? I think that's a yes.